We are back with part 2 of our Axiom Vendetta walkthrough. Today we're going to take a look at our bedroom and our bathroom. Let's check it out. So the first thing you'll notice when coming into our bedroom is this giant window. I'm pretty sure it's one of the largest in any RV. I don't know. Regardless, lets in a ton of natural light. Really like the window. In the evenings, we've got curtains. We can close the curtains for a little bit of privacy, and then we open them back up for some natural light during the day. Right below that, big countertop space. Rachel, what do we use this countertop space for?
Folding laundry and a standing desk for work.
So Rachel uses it for a standing desk for work. Works out fantastic. Right below that, we've got our washer and dryer, so that makes it convenient for putting the laundry up here. On both sides of that, there's two little nooks. Rachel uses that one for some jewelry. And this one is for whoever's sleeping on this side of the bed, has USB and some AC outlets. We have our Alexa down there, as well as our weather station. If you don't have one of those weather stations and you travel, you should definitely look at it. The thing could save your life. So check it out. RV king size bed. Our bed is a Brooklyn bedding. We absolutely love it. It is on a VersaTilt system. So on travel day, this moves up and tilts up so that the bedroom compresses itself. We like leaving it down. There's still a ton of room in here. And we put our storage below the bed as well for all of our shoes. So all of our shoe bins are below the bed and fit really well. Cabinets up top, as well as two reading lights. We end up adding these little, I don't know, what would you call them, Rach?
Little shelves from IKEA.
Shelves. The shelves, IKEA shelves. So we ended up adding those on just to store stuff on. Gives us a convenient place up top. This side, you've got USB-A and USB-C, as well as some AC outlets. Mini split remote, which, by the way, the mini split is on. We're right beside it, and you can't hear it. We love our mini splits. A little about the mini split. It is a perfect air. 4 different modes. So we've got AC mode, dehumidify mode, fan mode, and heater. This is also our primary heater for our RV. So we'll turn it back to AC. Crank it down to 69. Works great. We also have app control of that from anywhere, as well as Alexa control. So that is the mini split systems. As you come around, this is kind of the closet / storage space. We've got a TV here. This pulls down. It will also pull up to like a privacy shade. We like just leaving them open. Lets in the best light. Little place to sit right here. Closets. We've kind of split them up. Lights come up. Split them up. Mine is there. Rachel's is here. Little dehumidifier bag in them as well, because you can never get out too much water. And we're also in Texas, so the humidity is super high here. So those are the hang-up spaces. 2 drawers on each side. Soft close on the drawers. Big drawer in the center. And same thing. 2 drawers on my side. Lots of hats. We've got storage here as well. And right here is where we keep
coats, jackets, sweaters.
All of the above. 2 large drawers as well down here. So bedroom light right here, off and on. The other thing about in here, it does have the Power Pro microphone receiver, so you can give Power Pro commands. Hey, Power Pro, turn off the bedroom lights. And you will see they're all LED strips throughout the entire thing. It's fantastic. Bedroom door here. Does have a lock as well. So going right into the bathroom, we did change a few things in here. One of the first things we changed, Rach,
The faux wood wallpaper.
we did not like it at all.
No, we wanted something a little bit more bright, a little bit more colorful.
So Rach chose this. Worked out fantastic. The other thing is the height in here. We love how tall it is. And just to show you an example of how tall. So I'm 6'3". And I can stand in the shower super comfortably. Like, I can move around. The head height is fantastic. It really is. The height's not only in here, but also in the bedroom. Another thing we changed was the shower head. It came with a rainfall shower head. We didn't love it. We changed this out, and Rach, how long have we been using this shower head?
We had the same model in our home for 5 years.
So we love this shower head on Amazon. It's a residential, and having the Axiom allowed us to use a residential. So we went with that. Me and Rachel can use that. The kids can use this smaller shower that fits in. Works out fantastic. Glass shower door. Storage space. We had to figure out, Rachel really figured out like some organization in here with some stands and some little bins, but it worked out fantastic.
The cabinets are deep. They're pretty tall, so it was kind of easy, but still, you know, with any new rig, you need to find how it works for you.
I think I've said the word fantastic about 800 times, but that's okay. So rolling right around, sink here. Also have a vanity here. Along with the sink, we've got the Fagatti tankless water heater for all the hot water in the whole rig. Works great. You turn on the hot water. It starts reading the hot water. It heats up. It works pretty dang fast. You'll see it dropping down because it's pulling cold water from the outside. And then it will start heating right back up. So, already warm. Works out great. We've got storage underneath, which, by the way, has individual cutoffs for the water lines, which I love. Another storage here. And then porcelain throne here. Keyword on the porcelain. We've got our RV bidet as well that we like. So that is the Axiom bathroom. Ours, specifically for the Vendetta, and our bedroom. Come back and check us out for part 3, and we will take a walk through our living room and our kitchen.